Welcome back to my channel, Boss Lady Empowerment. My name is Erica Hunter Scott, and today we're going to talk about how you can make money doing this one simple thing. If you want to know how to make over $200 a day just typing, then keep watching my video. Okay, so the company that we are referring to and where you can make over $200 a day, you can make up to $800 a day, but the name of this company is called TextBroker. So I will leave a link to that below in my description, textbroker.com. What is TextBroker? TextBroker is basically a US-based company that connects content writers to big companies such as Staples, eBay, Otto, iProspect, Conductor, and a bunch of other different companies. And what these companies are doing is they're looking for content. So you're probably asking yourself, why are they looking for content? Well, a lot of times they use brokerage sites such as these to look for articles, SEO content, search engine optimization content. They're looking for blogs, so they can find a way to rank in Google. So it's just nothing but a strategy method. So with TextBroker, you don't have to be an expert at writing. However, the content that you do decide to write needs to be unique and not copywritten from somewhere else. So what you would do, you would come over to I Write Content. Why write for TextBroker? And the great thing about with TextBroker is that you can request to get paid off weekly. Like so with some companies, you are getting paid on a monthly basis. But with TextBroker, you can get paid on a weekly basis. Also, TextBroker has flexible time management. So this is a brokerage site that comprises of a different number of jobs, and you can select from the jobs that you want, okay? And they collect thousands of jobs, so you can decipher which ones you want to write for and which ones you don't want to write. You're not assigned, you get to actually select. So how TextBroker works is that you need to register for free. So you get to register for free. You don't have to, it's not a membership site, which is a great thing, but you must be a US citizen, okay? Then you have to submit a writing sample, and then after you submit a writing sample, you're going to get a rating. And they're going to rate you based on your level of content that you just wrote, and then you're going to complete your author profile and then start writing for cash. Okay, so like I said before, you can choose from thousands of projects at different levels. So TextBroker, the way this works is that it pays by word depending on your quality rating, which you can improve over time. So you would need to do so let's go over to payment section. So if you were at a 5-star level and you wrote just an article or something based on 1,000 words, you can make $50. Now it doesn't take that long to write something 1,000 words. Now you may think that sounds like a whole lot, but actuality, writing up to 1,000 words is really not that much. And if you do half of that, of course, you know, you're going to get paid $25 just for a 500-word article. That's just easy. And see, you're really flexible on the amount of money that you want to make. So it's really up to you on how much time you invest. But if you're looking for some supplemental income whatsoever, then I would suggest that you come out here and try TextBroker. So in order to make things faster, so say for instance, we all are not, some people type fast and you have some people who don't type as fast, okay? However, the best way to get around typing, if you can't type as fast but you really want to get your words out, is by using a transcription software. So if you have Google Docs, and let me go over to Google Docs. let's go to Google Docs if you have Google Docs. Now, one of the things that you can do is that you can come into Google Docs, and what Google Docs has is a feature called voice typing. So long as you have a microphone connected to your computer, you can actually speak the content that you want to write, because speaking is a lot faster than typing. So you don't even have to go out and buy any type of transcription or voice typing software. Google Docs already offer that for free. So that's one way of being able to get articles or small content written for you in a more efficient manner. And I would definitely use that use that type of tool to get out what I need to write. And then you can kind of go back in and edit it a little bit if you need to. Because like I said before, we talk faster than we actually write. So with that being said, all you would need to do is go up here and click the sign up button and sign me up as an author and fill out any necessary information that you need to do. And with that being said, that's pretty much all that I have for you all today. But this is a way that people are earning money from the comfort of their homes, literally making some side income just by writing small content. And you can do a little 500-word article in less than probably a half an hour. So it's really up to you, you guys, what you make out of working from home. Nothing comes for free. You do need to put a little time and effort into it. But if that's something that you are interested in, then I would suggest that you go to textbroker.com. And like I said before, you do not have to pay a monthly service for anything, and you can begin very quickly from the comfort of your own home. So if you're interested, go to textbroker.com. And if you want to see more videos like this, then go ahead and click my subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out any more content that I have to provide you on how and different ways of making money from home. In addition to that, if you want to know how I make money from home, full-time income on a part-time basis, I want you to go ahead and click that link below. And I will see you all in my next video.